What's the meaning of Britannia? Britannia. Britannia.
Britannia. Britannia. Britannia is the Latin name given to the island of Great Britain by the Romans. Today, the term is often used to refer to the personification of Britain, as seen on coins and stamps. Britannia is depicted as a strong, feminine figure holding a trident and shield, symbolizing the country's naval power and readiness to defend itself. The image of Britannia has been used in various forms throughout British history as a symbol of national pride and identity, and has evolved to represent qualities such as strength, stability, and resilience.